Down here in the bayou. Gonna try to catch me some cat daddies this weekend. Camping out here all weekend long. So we're out here at Johanna River right now. We're gonna try some catfishing tonight with the classic Kool-Aid. Putting it on the chicken gizzard right here. Okay. And just mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Yeah, that's what them big boys like. Especially down here in the Johanna. Giving that little spike. Oh, son! I got a hole, boy! Woo, son! That's next to the cam, baby! Holy shit!